So what's up, guys? It's a windy as hell day out, and I'm gonna see if these cheesy ramps I have can hold up to the F350. I'm doing my second oil change, and I could get under there, but I kind of just want to see. I think it'd be pretty funny if the truck crushes them. So let's find out. Actually, to my surprise, it's bowing out a little bit, but doesn't look too bad. Now I'm just gonna chalk the wheels and probably put a jack stand under it just in case. Okay, today is Monday, March the 7th, and I have 11,732.5 miles. And I will be doing 11,732.5 miles. I'll be doing my second oil change. First one is done at 66,200 miles, so I'm getting it before the scheduled maintenance time of I think 7,500 miles. So I got all my supplies from Ford. I got 1030 Super Duty diesel motor oil. I got 13 quarts, and I have a Motorcraft oil filter. So I also picked up DEF and fuel filters, but the fuel filters I'm gonna wait till 15,000. Okay, so on with the truck's second oil change. I don't know what these rubber bands are for. This is my 6.7. That's a diesel engine, for those who don't know. My oil filter, my drain plug, which is a 16 millimeter, I believe. I don't know. Yep, 16. Drain bucket, and it's gonna go everywhere because the wind is just killing it. And the oil filter. And yeah, what the hell these rubber bands are for? I think held some shit together and they didn't take them off. But yeah. Oh, and I have a more of a precaution in case these ramps don't hold out. So. that's pretty pretty dirty for what is that? Oh, you little fuck. For how many miles? See, I changed it at 6,000 for less than 6,000 miles. It's pretty ugly. Not too bad. Not too hot. Oh! Why do I even bother? Oh my god. Son of a bitch. Maddie.
Yeah.
On the wall, under the blue and red tank, like thing, there's some white pads. They're like sheets. They're underneath it. Can you grab them, please? Just bring me like 4 of them. That oil looks very thin. I don't really care for that too much. Oh, I'm just getting.
Okay, got all 4.
You got those pads?
Yep.
Can you come over here to the side of the truck?
Oh.
You see the big mess? It's on the side. Come to the side of the truck.
Oh dear.
Oh, stop it. Like you've never seen a mess before.
I see it. Here.
Yeah, can you lay those on top of that? Like lay them out, cover up the whole mess?
It's like paint.
Yeah, it's like tar.
Tar?
Tar.
Oh, yeah, the old tar. Right there. Oh god.
Careful, don't get any on you. Yeah, just lay them on there. There you go.
Ew.
Yeah, they're disgusting.
Very disgusting.
Oh no.
Oh god. That's really gross. Ew.
Yeah, just keep laying them on. Oh, this is so bad. Thank you for having the shop full of fucking cars, guys. Seriously. Wow.
We just found. Let me get on the other side. Oh god. Oh. There. No. Oh. Ew. I hope this is entertaining for y'all. Look what me and my dad have to go through. Thanks a lot, Frank and Sean Cat.
Yeah, guys. That oil filter is going to be so bad. It's so high, the wind's just going to all over the place. Okay. Don't know how I'm going to do this without getting blasted with oil. Oh, so bad. Right in the hair. Right in the hair. Oh. I hope that's making it into the... Okay. Ah. Holy shit.
This is so messy.
This is so messy.
Dad, your hand.
I know.
Don't. Your face.
Yeah.
Don't touch anything.
This is bad. Oh my god.
How many oil does this truck have?
A lot. It has a lot.
1,000 gallons.
13 quarts.
And 13 quarts is as big as a dumpster.
13 quarts is a lot.
So 13 quarts is as big as a skyscraper.
Oh. Oh my god. I got oil in my hair.
You better take a shower.
Oh, you better believe it.
I ain't have any oil on me.
Good
Not even on
job.
my hands.
Good job. Oh, and it looks like the filter seal stuck to the filter housing body. So that's not good. There we go. Set right there. I get to wipe all this down again. You grossed
I am
out?
filled with disgusting determination.
Disgusting determination. All right, you're determined to you're determined to be disgusted, huh?
BTW, remember to check out Undertale. Cool game, best game.
Undertales?
It's Undertale. Just
Undertale.
No, not necessarily, just an A. Is that a new oil filter?
The brand new oil filter.
Wow. That one's so dirty. Oh my god. Here's a game over for you.
Game over for me?
Okay. Hold on.
I just filled the the oil filter, and this took nearly an entire quart just to fill up. So, let's hope I can put this on without dropping it and making a big mess. Hurry! No, the oil.
Oh, the oil.
Yeah, give me one. Give me one of those.
Well, anyways, anywho, you have an extra white part.
I need another one. Trade. You're gonna have to give me all of those.
All of those?
All 12 of those.
You know what? It's like,
Come
Party. Feel here? Don't worry. I'm so tall. That's all right. Now I'm playing like a gym. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's not fall. That's not fall. Come on, you don't fall. Good.
13 quarts.
I wonder why it wasn't uneven. Okay. Done. I'm doing so good. Then it just went down.
That means a lot. Get it down. And check the level.
Dad,
Yeah.
next Christmas comes. This Christmas comes, you know. When this Christmas comes, and I get to ask you if you have the money to buy me a pizza. Something like that.
Ugh. I get to clean all that up. Nice. Alright. Let's check the oil. Yeah. Halfway. Nice. Hang on.